All the guys, my name is Kumar. You're watching me. Let's start today's student video without having the further delay. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about the routine of day what? That is 3rd July 2024 of the day 210. Okay, and we have completed today the 210 days routine video of continuously shooting the video of the continuously continuously shooting the everyday's routine video. Okay, we have completed the 210 days video. It's really fantastic. Okay, and so without any further delay, let's start today's main video without any further delay. What I'm speaking right now, I can't understand actually. So yeah, so basically last night I went for the sleep very late. I don't know why, but I wants to sleep very soon, but I don't know. I can't able to sleep very soon. I think that it can be this problem can be solved very soon. Okay, so yeah, so basically that's why I woke up today at around 9:30. Around 9:30. Okay, no, sorry, between 9 to 9:30, around 9 to 10 between. Okay, so basically I maybe I went to the ground floor first. Okay, and after that I came to the first I went to the ground floor, and I spent my time with family. After that I came to the first floor, and after that I didn't do too much thing. Okay, so basically the thing is that basically what I had done, basically I searched something. Okay, and after that I talked to someone. The talk to someone is that that I used to told you that I went to the Budela tuition. That Budela tuition's teacher, I talked to him for filling the one of the form. So that's it. So he advised me that come tomorrow around 9 or 10 a.m. So basically, and yeah, after that I cut the call, and after that I brought my cloth, and after that I went to the ground floor, and after that I went to the bathroom, and after that I came from bathroom, and after that maybe I washed my mouth after coming or before. Okay, and after that I had taken the bath, and after that I wore the clothes, and after that I washed it in a very proper manner. Okay, and after that first I didn't wear the clothes properly after taking the bath. First I wore it. Okay, where I after that I wore the clothes proper. Okay, anyhow, that sorry, why I'm using yani, it is Hindi word, I can't use this. So basically after that I wore the clothes properly. Okay, so after that what I had done, basically what I had done, yeah, after that I ate food. What I ate today, I ate today pointed gourd plus potato sabzi plus rice with pickle. Okay, so I ate, and this is a thing which was happened in the morning. And after that I came to the first floor. Okay, what I had done, after coming, yeah, after that I researched something. Okay, and that is a thing which I had done. And after that, throughout the whole day I didn't learn too much thing. I just started doing the first floor to ground floor, ground floor to first floor, first floor to ground floor, ground floor to first floor, and this is the routine which was happened today. Okay, till yet. And what I had done after that, basically I forget nowadays what I had done today. Okay, so basically I didn't done too much thing. Okay, I went to the ground floor, and yeah, actually after that my mother came, and she told me to eat the food, and after that I ate the food. Yeah, and after that I didn't do too much thing. Basically after that I went to the first floor, and after that at the time of evening I went to the ground floor. Okay, and I searched something there also, and I situated my documents in one kind of file. Okay, I don't know the exact name, but it is kind of file where we situate our documents inside that. So yeah, so after that I didn't do much thing. I went to the first floor to ground floor, and went to the first floor, and again went to the ground floor. So at the time of evening I ate bagya. So basically what is bagya? Bagya is basically a Bihari dish which is made up of that is rice, that is made up of rice. I do not get the exact word what is bagya meats is what of you know like चावल का पिसा हुआ आटा, I don't know what we call this in English. That's why I'm speaking in Hindi. But I will really translate very soon. Okay, and that's all the thing which is made up of. Okay, so after that I ate, and with the sabji that I ate in the morning. Okay, that is pointed gourd plus potato sabji. Okay, so yeah, and after that I ate mango, and that is the thing which was happened. And after that I spent the time with my family, and after that I went to the first floor, and after that I went to the ground floor. Okay, so after that I spent my time with my family, and after that I ate semia. I don't know if we call semia in English, but I will really translate very soon. And after that I spent my time with my family, and I went to the outside for doing the pee. And after that I filled the cooler from water, and after that I came to the first floor, and I filled the cooler of this room. And after that I didn't do too much thing. I talked to my sister. Okay, and after that I didn't do too much thing, and after that I started shooting the video. So basically guys, this is the thing which was happened today. I hope you really understand till here. If you really understand till here, then kindly please like it, because if you like some videos, it really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos in a continuously manner. So without having the further delay, let's start today's 5 or 10 days vocabulary learning continuously. Okay, so where we was, so yeah, our first word is needle. Needle means guys sui. Oh, I think needle went inside my bone. So I got it. What we call chamdi in English. Okay, but I will really translate very soon. I get remember. Thread means guys dhaga. Why here is too much thread? It seems like very annoying while eating the food. Okay, and yeah, so let me first let me put this like this. Okay, and I want to write something that is what we call annoying in English, but I know that it means like something, someone disturbing you, but I don't know the exactly word. So let me write it here so that I will get remember. Okay, annoying. Yeah, it's good. Okay, so yeah, now our fourth word is brick. Brick means guys what? Brick means guys patthar. Sorry, wait. Needle means sui, thread means dhaga, brick means eat. Brick is the most important part of building the home. Okay, and stone is patthar. Don't throw all these stones there. It may be harmed someone. Our fifth word is tears. Tears means guys asu. Why I think that she, when I reach there and she try to hide their tears. Why I think that? I think she is in some trouble and she can't tell us. We should ask them, and we should try to solve the problem of her. Okay, so yeah, it is just an example, guys. Don't take it seriously. 2, 4, 5, and we have completed 4, 5, and we will complete all 5. Okay, our first word is sixth word. Okay, broom. Broom means guys jhadu. Okay, can you please broom so that I can clean this first? If you don't have any issue, please. This is guys an example. Don't take it seriously. Our seventh word is drain. Drain means guys nali. Where is the drain? Where all the water supplies passes? In which drain? Okay, and our eighth word is breakfast. Breakfast means nasta. Have you done your breakfast? If you don't done, then you don't know what will I do. It is just an guys example. Don't take it seriously. Our ninth word is blind. Blind means guys andha. I think he is blind. We should help him. Dumb. Dumb means guys gunga. Are you dumb, man? I'm telling to you from last many minutes and you didn't answer me. Are you dumb? Dumb. D is silent. Okay guys, so basically this is our completed 10 words, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so let's start from bottom to the top of daily learning vocabulary. Okay, so yeah. Oh, let me situate all the books. So yeah. So gunga, dumb, andha, blind, nasta, breakfast, nari, drain, jhadu, broom, asu, tears, patthar, stone, eat, brick, dhaga is thread, sui, needle, charna, climb, फेंकना, throw, याद दिलाना, remind me, थका हुआ, tired, गुफा, cave, पिंजरा, cage, कंबल, blanket, तलवार, sword, हमेशा, ऑलवेज एंड forever, हड्डी बोन दाढ़ी बियर्ड एड़ी हील हीरा कुकुम्बर कबूतर पिजियन लहसुन. Today I'm confused with लहसुन. Sorry guys, I'm using it in Hindi, but I have to translate today लहसुन. I think it is garlic. Yes, it is garlic. Lehsun is garlic. Okay. Yes, it is garlic. Sorry guys, I'm using Hindi word like lehsun too much time. Okay. So yeah, it's garlic. Now adrak, ginger, haldi, turmeric, अफवाह, rumor, भ्रष्टाचार, criticism, हत्या, murder, सिंदूर, vermilion, सापास, well done, बेशक, sure. बेशक means guys of course. निचोड़ना, squeeze, सेकना, bake, पीसना, steal, strain. Okay. No, पीसना is grind. I always forget this. I don't know why. छानना, strain, छीलना, peel, कंजूस, माइजर, जो कोई भी, whoever, जो कुछ भी, whichever, right. परंपरा, ट्रेडिशन, कांपना, ट्रैम्बल, चुगलखोर, स्निचर, विधवा, विडो, अनाथ, ऑर्फन, चौकीदार, वॉचमैन, किराएदार, टेनेंट, रिश्तेदार, रिलेटिव, मेहमान, गेस्ट, बातूनी, गैरुलस, अनपढ़, इलिटरेट, पढ़ा लिखा, लिटरेट, समझदार, सेंसिबल, किसको, हो, किसका, होज, अजीब, विचित्र, वियर्ड, घटिया, सॉडी, फौजी, सैनिक, सोल्जर, दया, मर्सी, पापी, सिनर, हल्दी, हल्दी इज टर्मरिक, जुआरी, गैमलर, धमकी देना, थ्रेटन, गड्ढा, पेट, कीचड़, मड, बौना, ड्वार्फ, आज़ादी, स्वतंत्रता, लिबर्टी, सुखदायक, सूदिंग, सत्यानाश, डैमिट, प्रतीत होना, सीम, अहंकारी, अरोगेंट, चुड़ैल, विचर, विच, वरदान, बोन, श्राप, कर्ज, खुजली, एचिंग, वफादार, लॉयल, शपथ लेना, ओत, जाति, कास्ट, भेदभाव, डिस्क्रिमिनेशन, संघर्ष, स्ट्रगल, आचार, पिकल, एकाग्रता, कंसंट्रेशन, अल्पसंख्यक, माइनॉरिटी, अपराध, अपराध इज क्राइम, आध्यात्मिक, स्पिरिचुअल, इरादा, इंटेंशन, उल्लंघन, वायोलेशन, आलोचना, इट्स क्रिटिसिज्म. यस, इट्स क्रिटिसिज्म. अनिश्चित, अनिश्चित. I use English for criticism also, but I don't know exactly what. Maybe I use, but I don't know exactly what it is. So yeah, I will really improve it very soon. Okay. आलोचना, क्रिटिसिज्म, अनिश्चित, अनसर्टेन, मासूम, इनोसेंट, प्रयास, एफर्ट, धरती, अर्थ, धड़कन, हार्टबीट, डरपोक, कायर, कोवर्ट, झूला, स्विंग, इच्छा, डिजायर, घाव, वाउंड, घूरना, स्टेयर, खासियत, कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स, ऐतिहासिक, हिस्टोरिकल, उचित, प्रॉपर, उलझन, डिलेमा, और वी कैन से ऑल्सो दैट कन्फ्यूजन, उम्मीद, होप, हालत, कंडीशन, भाग्य, फेट, थोड़ा, अ लिटल बिट, तालमेल, कोऑर्डिनेशन, जिद्दी, स्टबर्न, उत्साह, एंथुसियाज्म, उपाय, सॉल्यूशन, और वी कैन ऑल्सो से दैट रेमेडी, बीमार, सिक, आदत, हैबिट, बातचीत, कन्वर्जेशन, संभावना, पॉसिबिलिटी, प्रस्ताव, प्रपोजल, प्राचीन, इंसाइंट, प्रारंभिक, इनिशियल, तरक्की, प्रोग्रेस, जागरूकता, अवेयरनेस, उपयुक्त, अप्रोप्रिएट, मूली, रेडिस, पालक, स्पिनिच, शिमला मिर्च, बेल पेपर, बर्तन, यूटेंसिल, जड़ी बूटी, हर्ब्स, कमर, वेस्ट, चोट, इंजरी, कपड़े धोने का स्टैंड, लॉन्ड्री, चश्मा, ग्लासेस, कांच गिलास, पैदल, ऑन फूड, नतीजा, आउटकम के बजाय, इंस्टेड, मुश्किल से, बैडली, आधी रात, टू नाइट, हाल ही में, रिसेंटली, आज रात, आज टू नाइट, पक्का से, और पर्दे, कर्टेंस के खिलाफ, अगेंस्ट, बगल में, बिसाइड, पकड़ना, कैच, खिलाना, पीठ, भौंकना, बाढ़, रोना, क्राई, और रोना वी कैन से ऑल्सो भी, विचार, थॉट, न्याय, जस्टिस, निर्देश, इंस्ट्रक्शन, विरोध करना, प्रोटेस्ट, पहुंचना, अराइव, नीचा दिखाना, ह्यूमिलिएट, बेकू, नासमझ, सिल्ली, डांटना, स्कोर, बदनाम करना, डिफेम, लगावा, फैक्शन, इसबाजी करना, फ्लर्ट, कुवारा, बैचलर, बहादुर, व्हाट वी कॉल बहादुर इन इंग्लिश, दैट इज ब्रेव, बहकाना, मिसगाइड, परेशानी, ट्रबल, अंधविश्वास, सुपरस्टिशन, पास, नियर, खटखटाना, नॉक बनाने, क्रिएट, पीछे, बिहाइंड, सचमुच, लिटरली, जरूरी, एसेंशियल, निश्चित रूप से, अपरेंटली, फुसफुसाना, विस्पर, धीरज, पेशेंस, लिफाफा, एनवलप, समझाना, एक्सप्लेन, आश्चर्य, वंडर, आरामदायक वी कॉल कंफर्टेबल, ले आओ, ब्रिंग, सांस, ब्रीथ, भक्त, डिवोटी, उत्सुक, ईगर, आत्मा, सोल, बेचैनी, एंजाइटी, स्वीकार करना, एक्नॉलेज. सो बेसिकली दिस इज द all the vocabulary which we have done today. Okay, from the last 3 days we have learned 30 vocabulary. I think it is really a very good. Okay, it's fantastic. So let's start today one of the topic in accountancy without having the further delay. Okay, So here is the, so let's see that can we complete today's chapter. uh, Today we will learn a new chapter, that is basic accounting terms. It is such a really a big chapter, but I think that we will do. Yes, we will divide this chapter half because we should study it a properly manner. Okay, so uh, basically. Okay, so yeah, let's start. Basic accounting terms. Now, in the previous chapter, we learned the basic things about that. What is accounting, what is bookkeeping, and what the advantage, disadvantage, limitation. Okay, and the accounting process we have learned. Now we are gonna do basic accounting terms like that. What is debtor, what is credit, what is creditor in this video. Okay, so in this video is this chapter will be divided in 2 days, half today and half next day. Okay, so let's start today's video without having the further delay. Okay, so what is business transaction? It means financial transaction or event that initiate the accounting process of recording it in the books account of an enterprise. It means financial transaction or events that initiates the accounting process or recording it in the books account of an enterprise. Yeah, so basically business transaction can be do in two methods. First is relationship with the accounting unit and mode of settlement of value. Okay, if I talk about relationship with the accounting unit, that is internal and external transaction. In case of internal transaction or accounting transaction. Okay, that means internal transaction. In external transaction means external transaction or business transaction. So the example of internal transaction is depreciation. That means girawat. Sorry guys, I'm using in Hindi, but I have to explain it. Like means fall in the value of asset. That is internal transaction, and external transaction is the cash paid to the creditor. That means the amount which has paid to the outside from the business. That is cash paid to the creditor. But depreciation is the expenses of the inside the business. Okay, and mode of settlement of value, that is two. The first is cash, okay, and second is credit. Okay, so cash means transaction, like we have purchased pen and we paid the cash. In case of credit, like we have purchased pen and we told them that we will pay you. That means we now uh, uh, we have to pay money to the shop. Okay, again like 1 month later, for example. Okay, so now what is account? It is a record of transaction under a particular head. Like in account we record the transaction under a particular head, like journal, ledger. Okay, classify, and we classify in the journal. Okay, also ledger. Okay, I don't know what we classify this in journal, but we classify it as ledger. So the main thing is that why I'm using that the main cheese. Sorry guys, I'm using the Hindi. Sorry. So our our we can say the second accounting term is capital. What is capital? Capital is the amount which is invested by the proprietor inside the business. That amount which we call capital. Capital is the amount invested in an enterprise by the proprietor. Proprietor means guys owner. Okay, so yeah, so like a person A who invested 1 lakh through this business and 20,000 furniture. So that 1,20,000 is the capital which is invested by the proprietor. It may be in the capital. It may be in the form of money or assets having monetary value. Okay, capital is also known as net worth or owner security. We have learned too many things. This is the basic thing. In class 12 we learn directly that is what we call net worth, and we have to find the net worth and owner security. So now we know that we call net worth as well as owner security, that is capital. Okay, so capital is also can be described that capital is the net worth as well as owner security. Okay, so yeah, now the formula is we have learned from the childhood days, that is assets equal to liability minus capital. Sorry, assets is equal to liability plus capital. Sorry, that was right. capital is equal to assets minus liability. I didn't learn from my last too many months, that's why I am unable to do this. Capital is equal to assets minus liability, but I think that I on the time also told you the right formula, but let's see what will be happening. So what is drawing? So this is not a drawing which we draw in our childhood age. This drawing means the amount which is withdrawn by the proprietor or owner from the firm for their personal use, that is drawing. Okay, it is an amount withdrawn or good taken by the proprietor for personal use. Drawing reduces the capital of owner. Okay, liabilities. So basically guys, liabilities means burden. There is two kinds of burden, that is internal burden and internal liability, external liability. Okay, liabilities means amount owned, that means the amount which we have to payable to the somebody by the business. Liability towards the owner is termed as internal liability. Suppose that the liability that the firm invested money to the business, sorry, the proprietor invested money to the business, so it is business internal liability. But if creditor invested some money to the business, that is external liability. Liability towards outside is termed as external liability. Okay, so yeah. External liabilities can be divided in two parts, that is non-current liability and current liabilities. Okay, so basically non-current liability means the periods of paying the liability which is more than 12 months, liability payable after 12 months. Okay, but in current liability we have to pay the liability before completing the 12 months. Okay, so yeah. So the non-current liabilities example will be like bank loans, etc, 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 etc. Current liabilities example is creditors, bills payable, and so on. Maybe I don't know exactly about that, but maybe this is two main things. Okay, creditors, bills payable. Okay, so now what is creditors? Creditors are persons from, basically, suppose that this is firm A, suppose that this is person A, this is person B. Person A, okay, gave their goods to person B and he didn't take money from B and B didn't pay. Okay, so A is the creditor of B, so B have to pay money to the A. I hope you understand the amount which we have to pay somebody, so that person is the creditor of ours. Creditors are persons from whom business purchase goods on credit. Generally, amount payable to creditors is within 12 months. Therefore, it is treated as current liabilities. Again, now what is debtor? Suppose that this is person A, this is person B. Okay, so person A, gave. Suppose that this is person A, this is person B. Person A sold their goods and services to the person B, but person B didn't pay him, so person B is the debtor of person A, so the amount which we have to brought someone. Okay, so yeah, but maybe this the debtor creditor can be classified only in terms of business, not in terms of normal life. So I don't think that, but I don't know exactly about it. So I think that guys, this is enough for today. We will learn from here in the next video. So I think it is enough guys, so let's end the video guys. See you, bye bye.